item 5.1. Right, the request for extension for the district bulk haulage contract. Mr. Dennis Lewis.
Your Worship, Councillors, I'll take this item as read. It's for a heavy haulage extension of 1 year and ask any questions.
Thank you, Dennis. Any questions of Mr. Lewis? Comprehensive report there by the sound of it, Mr. Lewis. Where's the resolution though? Recommendation, here it is.
I have one question if I can for the Chair.
Councillor Cousins?
Just as minor, so the original contract price was 319, that was for 3 years.
That's correct.
The next year is going to be 107.
That's correct.
Which is not...
It is, it's about 106,000 something for each year.
Right. Okay.
Yep.
And if we give them another year, it'll be that same figure again?
Yes,
okay.
correct.
That's what I wanted. Thank you.
Cool. Are you happy to move that, Councillor
Yes.
Cousins? So moved by Councillor Cousins, seconded by Councillor Pickling. Thank you, Mr. Lewis. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against? Carried.